Tea bags are not just for brewing tea, there are so many beneficial uses. Tea leaves contain around 4.15% nitrogen and other nutrition that nourish the soil, improve soil structure, and increase the drainage. Also, the tannic acid in tea leaves can lower your soil pH. So, before you toss another tea bag, must check out this video. Today, we will explore 5 unbelievable uses of tea bags for your garden. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. 5 unbelievable uses for tea bags in garden. 1. Composting. Tea bags are great to add to compost, because they add nitrogen to the compost, and also attract good bacteria. But, before you toss your used tea bags into the compost pile, make sure they are not made up of plastic. If they are of plastic, slit open the bag and use tea leaves for composting. 2. Give roses a boost. Roses love the tannic acid that occurs naturally in tea. Slit open the used tea bags, and sprinkle tea leaves around your roses to give them a boost. 3. Repel pests. If you are looking for an organic way to repel pests, your used tea bags can help you. Simply brew weak tea with old bags, and use it to water your plants, and also sprinkle on leaves. It will deter pests and fungal diseases. 4. Natural fertilizer. Make your plants lush and happy with natural fertilizer. Just brew a weak tea with used tea bags, and substitute watering with it. Brewed tea leaves make a fabulous liquid fertilizer, as they contain high levels of minerals, carbohydrates, and other nutrients that help plants to grow. 5. Lawn repair tip. Use a tea bag patch to repair bare spots in your lawn. Simply take a used tea bag that is moist, place it on the spot, and sow with grass seed. The tea bag will provide moisture, and gradually over time will decompose. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it for your healthy lifestyle collection. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.